Why does your scanner show the P0401 engine code? And what does it mean? P0401 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas recirculation, EGR, flow insufficient detected. This error code indicates exhaust gas recirculation, EGR, flow insufficient detected. This means your car's computer has found that not enough exhaust gas is being recycled back into the engine's intake manifold to lower combustion temperatures and reduce bad emissions. Under these circumstances, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits in your vehicle. Carbon buildup, stuck EGR valve, bad sensor, vacuum leak. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicle, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Chevrolet, Toyota, and Volkswagen. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.